Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm trying to pick open the Bloody Mary. This innocent looking lock UAP, as it is stamped on the front, was pinned by Crispey Bear, and I received it in the very generous package that he sent to me. And it's a very challenging challenge lock, he said, and I can just agree with his opinion. It is very challenging. That's the bidding on the key. Quite good bidding, quite challenging bidding. Lock works very nice and smooth. No problem with that. Yeah, I picked it open about 2 days after I started working on it, and since then I was trying to pick it more consistently, and today I got it open about 3 or 4 times, and the last time my favorite hook broke. It was a deforest diamond from Peterson, but it's okay that the pick was almost end of life, because it was one of the first picks that was the first pick from the Peterson set that I used when I started picking, and so this pick has seen a lot of locks and was heavily used. So, but fortunately I have a replacement, and I will try to pick this guy open with a new deforest tough diamond. Alright, let me clamp it in a vise and then we will see how it goes. Alright, clamped up. Again, the bidding on the key. Lock works and is locked up. I apply tension from the pin side, and this Peterson primer just fits perfectly into the space here. I apply very light tension because I think this is full of serrated pins combined with threaded chambers, and I will also use a manual counter rotation at some point in the picking process. There is actually no strategy. I just check pin by pin for feedback and try to set it. Tension is so light that it's just ensuring that the tension wrench stays in place. Good feedback here. Problem with this lock is that at some point in the picking process you're losing the feedback. So this was, I think, pin 2 or 3 that gave some nice clicks, and the core turned a little bit. And here I'm on pin 1, I think. Got a fat click and a turn on the core. But now it's over. So no good feedback anymore. Maybe here, no. Again on pin 1. Oh, and open. Oh, that was pure luck. Pure luck. Normally this takes 5 or 7 minutes. Yeah. I was expecting this to become one of the long videos that I sometimes have to make, but yeah, I'm very lucky today. So I've loosened the clip already a little bit so that it's now easier for me to get it apart, to get it away, and let's see how challenging that is. I think I have to look back at the video and try to repeat exactly the steps that I did to open this lock so quickly. Now I'm so excited that I can't take off this clip. Okay, it's gone. And I'll turn, I turn it this way. Need a follower. I'm very excited to see the pins. Okay. Oh, okay. There are two two round objects on the side. I can remember Crispy Bear's video about this lock, and he mentioned these parts, but I can't remember what these parts are good for. So we'll have to look it up. Yeah. So let's have a look at the pins. I used the black pinning tray because this is not a good lock. This is the Bloody Mary. So it's just fair to use the black board. Ooh. Come over here. Wow, these are nice pins. Wow. Yeah, it's a 6-pinner. So let me dump out the drivers. Then I will sort the pins and give you a close-up view to this beautiful work. Wow. Let me see what was in like that. Ooh. Pin 5 just doesn't wanna go above the shear line. This was pin 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's number 4 that doesn't wanna come out. You can have a close look. So you see, pin 4 is not really above the shear line, just a little bit. So, and the springs are very weak, so they don't look out. And there's something in the last chamber. Oh, maybe I mixed it up. Maybe it's a T-pin, and that's the wafer for it. Yep. Okay, I think it was like that. And okay, I wanna get out the springs as they are intended. Assign them to the correct stacks. Probably they are all the same. Was pin 1, stack 1. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, they are all the same. Now, just a tiny driver here, because the key pin is so long. Okay, let me sort them, and I will come back with a nicer view for you. So I'm back with a close-up view to the great pins in this lock, in this Bloody Mary lock from Crispy Bear. So we have key pins 1 to 6. They are all serrated, and especially this guy here is very nice. It's an extremely long key pin with a lot of length to make changes, and Chris did a great job in modifying these pins, especially that one. Yeah, I see a little bit of wear out from my various picking attempts. I guess originally the edges were a little bit sharper as they are now. Yeah, but that's the fate of a challenge lock. So we have an interesting, funny key pin at number 1, very tiny key pin, and again a funny key pin at stack 2. It's thicker towards the end of the that's directed to the shear line, and yeah, serrated key pins. And we have interesting drivers, serrated and spoolie one, serrated, double serrated, standard. That was the one that just looked out a little bit from the chamber in the Bible. We have a different type of serrated driver, and one with a master wafer that was in like that, and it has a round end so that it can float or can angle a little bit in the chamber and provide nasty feedback. So for the plug, we see that chamber 6, 5 and 4 and 3 and 1 are threaded, and 2 is a little bit enlarged. Well, great work. And the Bible, nothing has done to the Bible. All chambers are smooth. Yeah, he hasn't been in there. Wow, Crispy Bears, thank you very much for this interesting and challenging lock. Great pins, great work, very nice. Yeah, alright, so that was the Bloody Mary picked open and gutted. Thank you very much for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.